Hi there, here is the newly launched Fire-Boltt Celsius. Now this comes with a huge 1.91 inch display with body temperature sensor and an e-card option to share your QR code of your social media handles to all your friends right from the watch itself. All for the price of just 1,999. Wow, that looks really interesting. So let's quickly open it up. Here is the retail packaging of the watch. Some key features are mentioned behind. Below are the manufacturing details and the MRP of 9,999. ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया. Anyway, inside the box is the watch itself. Lots of paperwork as usual, including the user manual and the pogo pin charging cable that aligns and attaches magnetically as you bring it closer to the terminals. Alright, let's have a quick look at the watch. It comes with a square dial, nice matte finish. By the way, this frame is made of metal, feels so solid. Single button on the side. Also worth mentioning, the watch is really slim, 9.2 mm to be precise. Soft silicone bands with a buckle design. Moving towards the back, this one too comes with a matte finish, and in the center you can see the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, and if you look closely you can even spot the temperature sensor. The build quality and design are truly impressive, slim and cool. By the way, you gotta remember this watch doesn't come with Bluetooth calling feature, which if you personally ask me is a good thing. Moving on, we paired the watch using the DaFit app. It's fairly easy and quick. The watch comes with IP67 rating, so you can wear it for a run, at the gym or even in the rain. In fact, it comes with swim tracking on board, so you can safely wear it in the pool too. Let's have a closer look at the display. Now as you press this button on the side, it will turn on the display, and this is a huge 1.91 inch LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 296 pixels. If you look closely, the bezels almost go edge to edge. Check that out, it looks really amazing. I'll just change the watch face for you so that you can have a better look. There you go. Here's a watch face which will give you a best idea of the bezels. Now the bezels at the bottom are a little more thicker, but trust me, compared to the watch, it almost is so slim and looks really nice. Here are some more watch faces. If you use watch faces that have black edges, they kind of even blend into the watch curve. Look at that. Looks so cool actually. Swipe from up to access your quick toggles. Swipe from the right to access the shortcuts. You have the exercise, settings, you have some games that come pre-installed, 2048, Floppy Bird, Hamster, Battleship. You have these games that come pre-installed. Click the play button and you can start playing. Pretty cool, easy and fun. Then similarly, if you go here, you have the alarms, you have the O2 levels, and you press this, it gives you the menu. Now this is the crescent menu style, which you can actually change from the quick toggles. Here you go, crescent, full moon, you have the helm style, list style, honeycomb style, grid, parallel, surface, crescent. It's really cool. Check this out. Really nice. Now the only thing that I found it to be a little odd is that the color reproduction is not as vibrant as I would like it to be. But overall I can say it's still quite good. Blacks are super deep, and the best part is that Fire-Boltt has perfected their interface. It's so smooth, really responsive and snappy. Not a single touch is missed out. Then it has this really cool feature in the quick toggles called My E-Card, where you can share QR codes of your social media as well as WhatsApp. Really cool. So right here you can see this is a QR code for my Twitter. All you need to do is go to the DaFit companion app here, and you'll find this option called E-Card. And I've already saved for my Twitter. I'll just show you if I want to add more. Click on the QR code, go to the gallery. Here's my QR code for Instagram, and I'll just change the title to Instagram. There you go, click OK and save. When we take a watch, here you have Twitter and here is Instagram. So similarly, you can save QR codes for anything you want and you can share it directly from your watch. I think this is a really cool feature to have on your watch. Overall, a really nice smooth interface, display, vibration, do not disturb, low power mode, system settings. If you're considering to buy this watch for your parents, trust me, they're going to learn pretty quickly and they're going to love using it. Coming to health monitoring. Well, the watch comes with a heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, sleep tracking, blood pressure monitoring, and even body temperature sensor. And as usual, we placed the watch on the table to check if the sensors are legit. And it said, please wear the watch and try again. So then we wore the watch and we got the heart rate reading. Then we tested SpO2 as well, followed by blood pressure, and finally temperature sensor. It gives two readings, surface temperature and body temperature. So it's nice to have these health monitoring features, and of course, temperature monitoring will always be an added bonus. But always keep in mind, this is a smartwatch, and even though dependable, use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. You also receive incoming call alerts with vibration. You can see the caller's name with an option to reject the call or silent the ringer. There's no way to answer or make calls. Now, some might feel having Bluetooth calling would have been a plus, but remember, it's never a good experience, especially on these budget smartwatches, and moreover it drastically impacts your battery life. So not having Bluetooth calling definitely is not a deal breaker. Similarly, you also receive app notifications on your watch. You can see the app icon, you can see the sender's name, as well as you can read the message directly on the watch display. Coming to health monitoring, well, it comes with 123 workout modes, and here you can see the list. It has literally everything that you could ask for, including swim tracking. Further, it gets subdivided into categories, which makes finding what you're looking for a lot easier. There's a dedicated section for water sports. Check that out. And finally, we started a workout. Here you can see the time, the heart rate, the distance, the pace, right here on the watch display. Whether the workout is light or heavy, all these details right on the display. Coming to the battery. Well, the battery size hasn't been mentioned by Fire-Boltt, and they usually don't, but I can easily tell you that this will last for about a week, and you all have to thank no Bluetooth calling feature for that. It really helps increase your battery life. Quick look at the Darfit companion app. You can see all your workouts and health data on the home page. Then in the device tab, you can change watch faces. There's a huge collection of analog and digital, some of them inspired from the FIFA World Cup as well. You can also custom set an image from your phone gallery as a watch face. Further, choose from which app you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Use watch as your phone's camera shutter. In others, you can change the time format, change the unit, continuous heart rate detection, auto lock time, drink water reminder, and even women's menstrual cycle tracking is available. Then if you go into profiles, you can set targets and share your data with Google Fit. That's a really helpful feature. Alright, final thoughts. So if I start with the cons, it's probably just one, that this watch doesn't come with Bluetooth calling feature. You get better battery life, and phone calling, as I mentioned earlier, isn't that great on budget smartwatches. Talking about the good things, well, there's a huge list. Huge 1.91-inch display, temperature monitoring, e-card to share your QR code with your friends, IP67 rating, metal body, 123 sports modes which includes swim tracking, and it's priced at just $1,999. You can definitely go ahead and buy this. In fact, it also makes for an excellent gift. Simple and functional. You can buy this right away, even today, from Flipkart or the Fire-Boltt website. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.